afternoon for our NFP live trading session, and let's see what we can be able to take out from the market. So if my audio is clear, just if my audio is clear, I would like you to just quickly able to type in the chat box there that audio is good, so that we can have a session this afternoon. All right. Welcome to my live session at SignalLord once again. My name is Gabriel Oriretan Olashile Ikechukwu Jaba, and guess what? We are here to make money today, and I'm going to be making big time money for NFP this afternoon, and I want you to be part of it. That's why I had to go live. All right. So if you are not too busy, why not just quickly join me for this session? So we will look at different instruments, and also we are going to be talking about the impact of NFP in the global financial market, and then we will also discuss about what the outcome will most likely be, and then for some of us that will be looking for entry on what to trade, what to buy, what to sell, I'm going to be doing justice to that so that you will know what to buy and also you will know what to sell. All right, so don't forget, the first money you make in trading actually is what we call your investment capital. So your investment is what you make first before trading. Now, why did I say your investment is what you make first before trading? The reason is very, very simple. Now, I said that is because, number one, if you don't have money, there's no way you can make money. You understand? So number two, when you have money and you don't know how to manage it, you will lose the money. And in trading, market knows how to deal with traders very well. You know, traders have not found their way around the market so that they will know when to buy, when to sell, when not to buy, when not to sell. But then, you know, eventually it is expected that we'll find, we are back now, we are back. So now, for those that you want to start making some good level of money in this market, you need to actually know how to set your entry correctly. So the first thing I'm going to quickly discuss when it comes to NFP is what NFP is all about. What NFP? NFP in acronym and in full meaning simply means non-farm payroll. So what do we mean by non-farm payroll? NFP simply means you are using an employment data from the United States of America, and the data determines whether the value of the dollar is going to increase or whether the value of dollar is going to fall. All right, so that's what the data is all about. So we want to know how many people are employed for the previous month, which was May, then which we are measuring every aspect of the economy, but apart from the farming industry. So since we are talking about NFP, you also know that non-farm simply means there's an exclusion, and the exclusion is just that you are measuring every aspect of the economy, but apart from the farming industry. That's what NFP is all about. All right. So now, since that is NFP, I would like you to quickly talk about risk management, because making money is very easy and losing money is so easy. You know, there are two ways. There are two things in this market. You have profit and loss, P and L. So you can make profits and you can make loss. I know some people are not happy with loss, but you don't have a choice. It's a business. When you start a business, there are two things involved in a business. It is either profit or loss. And what will keep you to be in business is when you are making more profit than the loss. If you look at every businessman that you have in this age and time, they all have their fair share of loss, but then they are still in business. All right. So if you want to remain in business and you still want to keep being in business, loss is part of business. You can't run away from it. There's no way you can run away from it. All right. The best thing you can do is to manage the loss so that you can become more profitable. All right, so I still have 3 minutes to just discuss what NFP is all about before I start giving you the outcome and what we are expecting for today. All right, so now just like I mentioned that your first money, the first money you make in trading is about protecting your capital. All right, so which means protecting your capital is the first form of money you make, so that you will be able to maximize your capital for more profit. Okay, so now in risk management there is what is called reward to risk or risk to reward. So risk to reward is that in terms of risk, what am I willing to lose to be able to what to make the reward? So R ratio R. Now in my next video, which I would want you to look out for, I'll be talking about risk management in full, regardless of how much you have as your capital, regardless of how much you have in your trading account. Now I'll be talking about risk management in my next video that I'll be dropping on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to put on the notification so that you can get notified when I am live. Now let's go straight to still discussing about NFP. Now this news that affects US dollar, and anything that affects US dollar affects different instruments across board. So if I'm talking about different instruments, I'm talking about the likes of gold, because I know some people love gold. You want to trade gold, you love trading gold. Then also I'm talking about currencies, USD JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, anything that has to do with dollar will be affected. But for today, so if you're happy with that, come on, just drop it in the comment box that I'm happy. Thank you, Prophet. Thank you, Prophet. You know, they call me Prophet in the global financial market, and if you don't know, you have known now. All right. Also, I go by the alias SignalLord. All right. SignalLord also is part of the names given to me by every of my clients. So leave all those things and let's talk about entry now. Entry. Now on my chart, I'll quickly be starting with USD JPY. I'll be starting with USD JPY. Don't forget, if you know that your device is not smart, please just stay on the live session. Take your book, take your pen, write it down, note it down, and let's see what will happen before the end of the session. Okay, and I hope my voice is audible enough. Okay, just for me to be sure, I would like you to just type in the comment section there that my voice is audible, because there's no way I can track it, you know, whether you are hearing me or not. So I'll just like you to help me to do that, so that okay, all right, that's good. I still need more comments in the chat box. Okay, just comment audio is good. Okay, so I just need us to comment that audio is good. Okay, so I can hear myself now, and it's way better than before. All right, so not taking too much of our time. Just like I mentioned, we are starting off with USD JPY. Now, one of the things I love about USD JPY is that USD JPY has proven to be a favorite instrument for me, and I won't deny that USD JPY has been giving me much more profit than any other instrument that you can think of. Okay, so now for USD JPY, I think we are expecting it to be bullish, but the news can make it to be bearish. All right, so depending on where the direction of the news will be. All right, so USD JPY buy stop for USD JPY. Okay, thank you so much, Ari Adetula. Thank you. Okay, so just now for USD JPY, let's quickly deal with buy stop. Yeah, I'm going to be talking about buy stop for USD JPY. Buy stop. Now remember, we want to do what is called pre-news release. Pre-news release. Pre-news release is that you want to set pending orders before the release of the news. That's what we are doing currently. We want to set pending orders before the release of the news. So I'm going to quickly give you buy stop so that you can start using that to enter the market. Okay, so for those that are not online yet, well, there's nothing I can do for them. I wish there is something I can do, but there's nothing I can do for them. So if you know any of your friend or any of your trader that wants to trade, he wants to take opportunity of the market, and you want to trade NFP, tell them that we are live, share the video, share it on your status, let them know that we are here, we are live, and we are ready to take our inheritance from the market. There's an inheritance that we have in the market, which we are taking today. All right, so USD JPY, entry point for the USD JPY. Okay, just a minute so that I will check the entries very well. All right, let's check the entries very well. Just after doing USD JPY, I go straight to GBP USD. All right, so let's see what we have. So I'm just trying to get the entry so that we can easily just move it. So all right, so for USD JPY, okay, you get that bar? So just do the entry. All right, so by the next live session, which will be on Tuesday, you'll see my screen and I'll show you how I'm doing it. But just okay, so here the entries for now, and let's see how it goes. So USD JPY very fast because we are less than 15 minutes away. All right, USD JPY, our buy stop entry is 144.522. 144.522. So let me quickly set it. Pending order. Buy stop. Okay. So for the buy stop, my entry point is 144.522, and my take profit is 144.741. 144.741. I know somebody wants me to repeat that, but don't worry, you'll see it in the chat box. All right, but let me just say it again. Buy stop USD JPY. The entry point is 144.522, and the take profit is 144.741. 144.741. That's a buy stop. Okay, so just note it down. Okay, now for the sell stop, because we are expecting price to either rise or fall. Okay, but our total expectation is that it should rise. But let's still set the trap for the sell stop. So sell stop entry point for the sell stop is 143.773, 143.773, and our take profit is 143.554. Let me come again. The entry point for the sell stop is 143.773. Then take profit at 143.554. Now, I believe you can place that order now. So remember this, please. It is not a must you trade on all the instruments. All right. So just pick your favorite instrument and you get to trade on it. So The next instrument is GBP USD. GBP USD, and for GBP USD, I've actually been expecting it to sell for a very long time, but that instrument doesn't want to sell, but there's no problem. Now, GBP USD entry price for GBP USD is 1.35616, 1.35616, and take profit at 1.35745. Take profit at 1.35745. Just click on place. Okay, so let me just quickly say it again. Buy stop for GBP USD at 1.35616. Then take profit at 1.35745. 1.35745. Okay. Now, place the order. Sell stop for GBP USD. Sell stop for GBP USD is 1.35245. 1.35245, and my profit is 1.35120. All right. Take profit. Entry point is 1.35245. Take profit is 1.35120. Then just click on place. Good. So we have set 2 out of 6 instruments that we want to do for today. All right. Now, if you don't get the entry from the audio, just check the chat box. You can see the entry. Okay. Is it good to take ice cream? I just asked a question, but then don't worry, you'll know the question I asked much later, okay? Because my ice cream is becoming watery, right? But then let's continue. Euro USD, that's our next instrument. EUR USD. Now for Euro USD also, I've actually been expecting it to sell, but this guy did not want to sell. So we are just less than 10 minutes away from the news. Less than 10 minutes away from the news. Please don't forget, use a reasonable lot size. Okay, lot size can make you, and lot size can destroy you. Lot size can make you. Okay, hello treasure. All right, so good to see you. That's one of our clients here. So good to see you. You are welcome. You are welcome. All right, so don't forget, lot size can make you, and lot size can clear your account. Okay, so don't forget, please ensure that you use a reasonable lot size. Okay, a lot size that can give you the profit you are looking for. At the same time, your capital will still be safe. Euro USD buy stop. Euro USD buy stop, and I'm looking at it at 1.14, 1.14380, 1.14380. That's for Euro USD. 1.14380. Then take profit at 1.14519. Now I'm made to understand that some people are using different broker and some people are using different platform. All right. Now I'll just need you to check your current market price in respect to where you have your nearest level of support and resistance. Because every broker has a difference in what is called spread. There's difference also in the movement of price. Okay, so you need to be careful with that. All right, so if you are using MT4, there will be so much similarities in terms of the price movement. But if you are using MT5, I think there's going to be quite the difference between price. So just check very well before you place the order. All right, so but if you are using MT4, you are good to go, because I'm also using MT4 here. Okay, so now my buy stop for Euro USD entry price at 1.14380. Then take profit is 1.14519. Then you click on place. Then my sell stop for Euro USD. Sell stop for Euro USD. I have 1.13721. 1.13721. Then take profit should be at 1.13. Okay, hold on. The entry price is 1.13893. 1.13893. Sell stop entry price for Euro USD is 1.13893. Then our take profit is now 1.13721. 1.13721. Now, another in this market, you can get the entry without setting take profit. That's another way. So that by the time price keeps spiking in one direction, your profit keep increasing. All right. So I believe you have placed that order: buy stop, sell stop. So we have done 3 currencies. I think it's time to move to gold. All right. So for gold, XAUUSD. XAUUSD gold. XAUUSD. Now, for those that want to trade gold, this is what we are going to do. XAUUSD, which is gold. We are going to be looking at the entries from here. Right now, the current price is around 3357.24. That's the current price. But then, gold can be so tricky. Funny enough, I've been expecting it to sell, but God don't want to sell. All right. So we are less than 6 minutes away from the news. Less than 60 minutes away from the news. So if I should ask you, what is your thought on on NFP? What do you think? Will it move the market, or it will be bad for dollar? You see, my expectation is that the way Trump has been affecting the market, the tariff took place. Now is on a war rampage with Elon Musk, and the economy is not, is not. Let me use the word unified. So anything that is not unified, definitely an investor will look out to sell it off. There is a tug of war between Elon Musk and Donald Trump. Okay, so now somebody wants to ask me, how will it affect the market? Yes, it definitely is going to affect the value of the dollar. It's going to make the value of the dollar to decline. And if it's declining, it is expected that gold is logging. Okay, so like I was saying, so it is expected that when the value of the dollar is declining, the value of gold will rise. So for those that want to trade gold, because right now I won't be trading gold. I want it to fall so that I can buy it. So I won't be using NFP to trade gold. So if you want to trade gold, please, your entry point for buy stop, all right? Buy stop entry point for gold. We are going to be looking at 3369. 3369.20. 3369.20. Then take profit at 33, and we have take profit at 3374.60. That's the take profit. So we have our entry point at 3369.20, which is the buy entry point. Now buy stop entry point 3369.20, and take profit at 3374.60. Okay, so for the sell stop, I think we are going to be looking at for the sell stop, we'll be looking at 3. That support looks very dicey, and well, let's see what's going to happen. The support looks dicey, so we want to put the sell stop after the support, so that even if price wants to do up and down, it will not trigger both buy and sell. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is very simple. Okay, so sell stop will be, let's put it below this point. So if it wants to fall, let it fall massively. 333, that's 3337, 3337.30, 3326, 3326.60, 3326.60. Now, another thing that can put you in trouble, they don't used to say it, but let me say it. Another thing that can put you in trouble is spread. Spread. Somebody say spread. Spread. My brother, spread no be for small pikin. You see, spread can trigger your trade, and at the end of the day, you will end up losing that trade, even if it goes in your direction. Okay, so be careful with spread, because this, when it is time for fundamental event, it is an avenue for, you know, spread to actually increase because of the volatility. Do you understand? So spread is something that can give you profit, and it can make you to have a loss, even though price will go in your direction. Spread, all right? Okay, Victoria, I can see you. Spread. Now, these are our entries for today, and we are just less than 1 minute to the news. Let's see what the market will say. Is there going to be a spike up or a spike down? Okay, so we are set, we are ready. So less than one. Okay, the news is out. USDJPY has triggered. Okay, is in profit currently. USDJPY is in profit. GBP USD has triggered. It was in profit, but it has gone back to loss now. Euro USD triggered. It was in profit. It's back to loss. Okay, gold has not triggered, not yet. Okay, so let's see what happened. USDJPY is still in profit. It's still in profit, but then let's go and check the outcome of the news. What's the news saying? Was it good or was it bad? Okay, because that's not determine our next line of action. Right, gold has not triggered. Okay, the news that's the average hourly earnings came out good. Non-farm payroll came out good. Then unemployment rate remains the same. So overall, the news is good for dollar. So we will keep our position. Okay. Now you can close out the other trades that did not trigger. The other ones that did not trigger, close them out, which is for the sell stop of USDJPY, delete it. The buy stop of GBP USD should be deleted. The buy stop for Euro USD also should be deleted. Now, look at what's happened in the market. The news came out good for dollar. Dollar increased in strength, and you see the way price spiked. Now, right now, we are still on the trade, so USDJPY is in profit, but the GBP USD and Euro USD, they have come back, so we are still looking at what price will do. Okay, so I think it's better you just close, you close out the ones that did not trigger, close them out, and let's see what's going to happen. All right, so this is just 2 minutes into the news, and we all saw how price moved. So how price moved, price dragged drastically. Okay, so let's see what will happen by 1:35. All right, so in case you have any question, you can put them in the chat box so that your questions can be answered. Okay, so ensure you close out your profit before it goes back to loss, because with what we are looking at currently, the price is dangling. It's just dancing and it's dangling, so we don't know which direction price wants to take. Oh man, wonderful. Now I'm just checking 1 minute time frame, and I saw the massive spike, and immediately price. Wow. So, but if I am to give my prediction on the overall market movement, I should expect USD JPY to go back to the support it was coming from, because that was at the resistance zone. Go back to the support, touch moving average, then you can bounce back, go up. Then for GBP USD, wow, so GUSD also, wow. It's going back up. So, okay, now I'd like you to close out all the trade that you have, and just let me know in the comment box what you have and what you close out with. All right, so we have just few minutes so that we can close out this session. All right, thank you so much for joining my live session. It's nice to have you around, but remember, it is only those that knows how to manage their account that can be profitable. That is the profit. Thank you. So I'll see us all. For some of us that will come to training, I'll see you in training. For some of us that will reach out for signals, I'll see you. All right, thank you, and have a lovely Baraka de Salah. Thank you.